Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple just rolled out the fifth developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, arriving just a week after the fourth betas. The updates are now available to registered developers through the software updates section in the Settings app. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 showcase Apple's new liquid glass design, emphasizing translucency and a glass-like appearance across the user interface. This refreshed aesthetic is present on the lock screen, home screen, control center, as well as in the app menus and buttons, offering a more modern and immersive look. These updates also introduce several new features across core apps such as Messages, Phone, Shortcuts, and Apple Music. Apple is also rolling out enhanced Apple Intelligence capabilities, a major CarPlay redesign, and more. And for iPad users, iPadOS 26 brings a completely revamped multitasking experience, allowing for multiple app windows and a workflow that feels more Mac-like than ever before. Now that you have got the latest beta, take it for a long spin and share your thoughts about it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.